Good night, teacher. My name is Miguel Ángel, and I am 25 years old. Monday to Friday morning. I usually get up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth a.m. and breakfast at 7 a.m. From Monday to Friday in the afternoon. I always take classes via Zoom at 5 p.m. Monday through Friday at night, I do my homework, take a nap, and rarely play video games with my kids. At 10 p.m., I go to bed to sleep. Thank you.